Kasi meron kami sister ko. Ito ang sura ng hihirapan sa I.O. Puyat lang. Wala pang 1 minute. Ano? Yung
I could get used to late nights dancing my ways. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. I thought it would scare me. I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was paper thin. You saw right through me and I gave in. My mind was occupied and I was on a high. I could run forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cab rides, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you putting up with it 'cause you love me to bits. Late nights dancing our place. I could get used to this. Taking the good with the bad. Never had something like this. I'm so glad that I found it for you in the dark. Love on the weekend on repeat. We're just another cliche, but who cares anyway? I could get used to late nights dancing.
We're going to Carrefour now kasi last day na namin ngayon. Tapos ayun yung sinasabi ko sa kainan natin, no? Sabi mo gusto mong kainan? But may Molly. We got this one. Ayan. Ano pala, pag hindi ka naka more than 500, wala kang paper bag. Ano yung kasing binili ko? Around 375 and hindi lang siya, kaya wala siyang paper bag. Pero pag more than 500 and hindi yung binili nyo, ay, makakakuha ng paper bag. Okay na lang kahit walang paper bag, kasi gagamitin ko naman ng sauce na anik-anik. Wala, pag yung mga tao, wala sila may anik-anik. Baby Molly. Sana lang din siya mag-yellowish. They are already done. Donut. Dalawa yung ginet ko. Kasi yung isa siya ng sister ko. Yung sister ko kasi nandun sa ano ba siya sa hotel. Kasi nagpahinga muna sila. Saka binaba nila dun yung ano namin. Yung mga pinamili sa Fairport. May init pa siya. Actually, bagong ano to eh. Bagong salang. Ayan, kakaluto lang ito. Mainit-init na talaga siya. Ayan, tingnan natin kung masarap ba talaga. Kung totoo ba talaga ang chismis na masarap ang crispy milk. Crispy milky donut na Taiwan. Crispy nga siya. Super lambot. Parang siyang bitso-bitso. Sarap. Milky nga. Yeah. Sobrang sirik ng araw. Gusto na maglaro kaso parang ang hirap. Yung isa kayo ba natin? Huwag na, sayang yung pera. Pero ang dami nilang ganito dito sa labas. So, parang sa Hong Kong, kung saan mga ang dami mga claw machine. So, at dito. Itong chicken fried legs. Ayan. Sobrang sarap ng ano dito, chicken. Ayan. Super sarap. Ang pangalan niya is chicken fried leg. Oh, wala akong nakita. Ngayon lang ako may nakita ng Hershey's.